We got a call from an 18-year-old named Caden who said he found a Studebaker that was sitting for the last 43 years untouched. And after a 2-hour drive to Columbus, this beauty was already sitting outside. But here's the kicker. Caden sold his only running car because he wants to daily drive this Studebaker. But Caden is one of the most interesting people we've ever met. He lives like it's the 1940s, and he says he can remember a past life that he lived all the way up until 1961.
23 to my wife, Dolores. She was my high school sweetheart. We ended up having 2 kids. We had my daughter, Delilah, in 1949, and my son, Atlee, in 1952. We ended up passing in a car accident as a family. We went off the side of the road after getting a flat tire in our 1940 Ford Deluxe station wagon. I can recall everything down to the floor plan to my house. I feel like that's one of the reasons that I can't connect to the things of today, is because of how caught up I am still on the things of then.